हांव सरपंच सांगोळ्ळा अविनाश नायक. आयज ग्रामसभा इतली बरी चलताली, व्हेरी पिसफूल चलताली आनी हे आमचे सगळे सडनली जो ग्रावंडाचो एक इश्यू आसलो, ग्रावंडाचेर 2013 एक इश्यू येयलो की 27 lakhs ग्रावंडाचे खाल्ल्या म्हणून, म्हणजे कोणी तरी फ्रॉड केला म्हणून. ते फ्रॉड करतना एकट्याचें नांव येयलें, कोणाचें, वॉशिंग्टन पेरेराचें, की तो एक दलाल म्हणून आसलो, ताका दवरलो. तो क्लाबाचो हो कोणूच नासलो, तो फक्त हाडपाचे पयशे कोणाक दिवपाचे, कितें करपाचो तोच कितें करतालो, कळ्ळें न्हू. पूण मागीर असो इश्यू येयलो की सगळ्या लोकांक, सांगोळ्याच्या लोकांक अशें अशें पंचायतीचो फंड मिसप्लेस जाला. मागीर आयज तो परतून लास्ट ग्रामसभा जाली न्हू, तेन्ना त्या लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी ग्रामसभेन आमकां रिकवरी जाय, ह्या पयशांची रिकवरी जाय. ह्या पयशांची रिकवरी आयज मिनिट्स वाचता एक ती डिसोजा ग्रुप, काशियान डिसोजा ग्रुप, सॉरी डायस ग्रुप, सॅमसन आनी तेजी भयणी तेंच्यांनी प्री प्लॅन करून येयल्लो, स्प्रे घेवन येयले. सडनली आमची बरी ग्रामसभा चलता आसतना सडनली दिपालीच्या हेचेर तोंडाचेर काय हातीचेर कितें स्प्रे मारलो तेंच्यांनी आनी सगळ्याक फूल स्प्रेड जालो, पास जालो. तेन्ना तांकां दिपालीकूय, दिपाली कांदोळकर, ताका मारले तेंच्यांनी. मारले म्हणजे सगळ्याक बोवाळ जालो आनी लोक भरलेलो ग्रामसभेक. आनी मागीर आमी कॉल्ड ऑफ केली पंचायत. रिजन म्हटल्यार कितें, तेंचो पर्सनल एक दोनूच फॅमिली आहा सांगोळ्ळान. एक काशान डिसोजाची ती फॅमिली डायस, ती एक्चुअली NRI, ती हांगा नासता. ते 5 जाण भयणी आनी ताचो भाव एक सॅमसन आनी एक एब्राहिम, ही 6 जाणांची टोळी. आनी एक तांकां सपोर्ट करपी वॉशिंग्टन पेरेरा. हो आख्ख्या गांवान सारको दुस्पट घालून सोडल्या तेणी लोकांची. आनी एक्चुअली सगळो गांव म्हाजे सायडीक आहा, कांयच कोणाचे प्रॉब्लम ना. हीच फॅमिली येता आनी थंयसर बोवाळ घालता आनी एक्चुअली इशू कांयच ना. आनी आमी कॉल्ड ऑफ केली ग्रामसभा आनी आतां आमी पुलिशेन कंप्लेन तेंचे ते डायस फॅमिलीचेर आमी एटलीस्ट 4 तरी केसी केल्यो. पण पुलिशेन सांगलें एक अशी इन्क्वायरी जावची की तांकां कितें तरी तांकां एक सेक्शन मारून तांकां हें करपाचें पडलें. पूण आमकां PI कडेन हांव उलयलां, लोक आमचे पळय सगळो आतां जमलेलो आसा की तेजेर कितें तरी FIR जावची म्हणून तेंचे फॅमिलीचेर आनी एक वॉशिंग्टन पेरेराचेर. आख्या सांगोळ्ळान तेंची वाड लायिल्ली आहा तेणी. पुलीस भायर आसले, ऑलरेडी आमकां खबर आहा कित्याक जेन्ना हे स्प्रे मारला आनी लायट गेले, हेंचो सगळो फूल प्लॅन आसलो तेंचो. म्हाका कांय खबर ना. हांवें एका आमच्या पिवनाक बसून विचारलें कित्याक मायक ना कितें तरी हेचो स्पिकराचो फॉल्टी जाला. आनी जेन्ना झगडी स्प्रे जाला तेन्ना लायट आमची उडयल्ली आसली, लायट ऑफ केल्ली आहा. म्हाका बसून सरपंचान म्हाका खबर ना हेंच्यांनी प्लॅन केल्लो आसलो म्हणून. आनी हांव खरें मागता पुलिशे कडेन आनी हेंचे कडेन ती सॅमसन डायसाची जी फॅमिली आहा ती सांगोळ्ळान आनी तो वॉशिंग्टन पेरेरा हांकां सांगोळ्ळान तडीपार करचें म्हणून ते पळय. वॉशिंग्टन पेरेरा सांजचो सदांच 4 येता आनी पंचायतीन बसता. हांवें सेक्रेटरीक विचारलें तुका जें काम करताय न्हू हांगा तुका डिस्टर्बन्स जाता, पुलिशेक एक कंप्लेंट कर. हांवें 10 फावटी सांगलें, ते कंप्लेंट कशेंच करिना तेजेर. तरी सांगलें तूं करिना न्हू, ताका सांग तरी एटलिस्ट की तूं हांगा चलवात आमकां आमच्या स्टाफाक काम करून दी. तें कशेंच सांगना ताका.
Everybody. So basically what happened today is the 11th of August and we had a Gram Sabha meeting in the Sangolda Panchayat. We had a lot of issues and last time we had decided that we would go on, we take up only the development issues, but again there was some arguments regarding all of that and suddenly I see this one lady come inside and I was standing up, my uncle was behind me, his name is Abraham, and suddenly she comes and she pulls his collar for no reason at all. So I was really upset and I tried to push her away, but she comes, she pounces on me And then she attacks my auntie, Sandra Fernandez, who is also into, she's all for the love of Goa. She comes and she pulls her down, and she pulls her hair. There were 5 ladies, in fact, who came and attacked her itself. So her hair was basically into five different parts. There were 5 ladies who attacked one single woman. Then there's another auntie of mine who, I'm sad to say that our Goa police itself is doing this, and it hurts me, because as youth of the Goa, it's very sad that our future is going to go to dogs. And one of the police inspectors, he comes behind my auntie.
Swanand
His name
Naik.
is Mr. Swanand Naik.
He's not an inspector.
He
Swanand
comes,
Naik.
whether I saw him in a police official costume, and he was wearing a civil shirt along with the police pants, and I thought he was a police, but someone is saying that he's I don't know what basically he's. He comes behind my auntie, he pulls her hair, he scratches her all over her neck, and her fingers are fractured, and to add to that, he has gone under her garments and scratched her over here. So for me, according to me, this is pure molestation that has happened to her. They pounced on my uncle, they pulled his collar, the marks are there on his neck. They have pulled my auntie, and I cannot bear this. They have pulled her very badly. They have pulled my own hair. I had straightened my hair in the morning. This is the state of my hair, and they have hit my mother. And her full face is blue. I'm talking this with a lot of evidence, because we've gone to the police station and we've got her medical report as well. So what I would like to conclude by saying this, and also to add to that, our Sarpanch, Mr. Avinash Naik, he was using all bad language, and it's very sad to say that there is no law and there is no order in our own panchayat. If the panchayat is like this, there should be a re-election, and only people who are educated and can control a Gram Sabha meeting should be sitting on the table, not somebody who just shuts their mouth and listens to everybody who's growling. They want the secretary to speak, suddenly somebody else speaks. The Sarpanch is not opening his mouth. Who is the head of Sangolda? The Sarpanch. Isn't the Sarpanch the head of this? Who is supposed to be speaking? But he's not speaking anything according to the law or the order. He's talking all about bad language and all illegal stuff. So for me, as part of the youth, what I would demand is there should be a re-election in the village. The result should be done in front of us. They're talking about broadening the roads. We are not being able to maintain our own small roads which are there. Broadening is the next question. We can't maintain half of the accidents in Goa. Forget Sangolda, I'm talking about the whole of Goa. If all the Sarpanches get together and just decide to only repair their village roads, won't Goa be a better place? They're talking about road widening, water harvesting, but nobody is trying to maintain. They want to go for the next step, but they're not controlling the baby steps, what we have to do, like the maintenance of the road.
Was there any reason to take part?
For me, basically, yes, exactly. There was no reason for a fight to happen. For me, I would feel that if the Sarpanch had maintained a little discipline, instead of he himself firing vulgar language and abusing people, if he could keep his stand and his reputation on his own, I don't think this would be happening. And I would like to say that we women are given lots of rights. We women are given equal rights, but we should understand that we should not misuse them.
But without reason, no one take fight with someone.
There was a lady, that's what I want to say. There was this lady, what's her name? Suchitra. Mrs.
Let me
Suchitra.
tell you about this. Here, all illegalities and corruption starts from our panchayat. Everything starts from here. And once you try to, oppose them, then they come back with the jungle law. Here we are following the jungle law. There is no law over here. The minute you are correcting them from their legalities, that is when they all get together, the Naik family. They get together. Before this, there was an inspection, the RTI had come and they had created a ruckus. There is no respect even for the lawyers, whoever is there. They believe they came to the place and the same media was there. They were with sticks. They don't even allow an inspection to take place. They are so corrupt. And if ever Sangolda has to be a safe place, we have to get out with this Avi. He is not fit to be where he is. He is a corrupt man. And he should be out. And we need this panchayat house to be cleaned. We have to have people. We have to have people with law and proper law.
Okay, they were saying that the person from your side had bought some spray and spread in.
That is only a false
One
rumor.
minute, let me tell you something.
That's a false
First
rumor.
of all, let me tell you one
Let
thing.
them prove it.
This
Why
was
do-
all planned. First, there was no mic. Have you ever seen a sarpanch where the mic is not working? You're having a Gram Sabha meeting with billions of people coming over there. First of all, that space is not enough.
We had asked for a pendol
We
much before, knowing well that it is going to be a big mess over there. We had asked for the pendol. You know what? This man sits there and he just smiles and passes it off.
One-
We need space. And they take all those people, uneducated, illiterate, illegal people, and they make them sit on the first 6 benches. And where are we going to sit?
Wait, this was for my part. This was all planned. First of all, there was no mic. There was no mic. Have you ever seen a Gram Sabha meeting happening without? And when you have a lot, you have a lot of people coming in. You don't have no mic, and the girl's voice is not that loud for you. For them to her to scream out. There was no mic. The electricity has gone. They are thinking of broadening roads when they can't afford to put a bloody generator inside the panchayat.
And
What
today they
broadening
had
the road?
switched off the lights.
And then
Because they were going to be on surveillance, they have switched off before the real scene
Exactly.
started.
And
They are targeting you.
They are targeting all the innocent people.
They are targeting my
No.
my uncle.
It is, there are groups now.
Because he's a successful man and he's not doing anything illegal. In fact, the panchayat is all illegal over there.
We,
They are saying that there is an issue of field going through you and this family.
Pardon?
Family.
No,
It is
nothing, no
nothing
family
like
matters.
family.
Sorry, we are not coming with family matters. We are come today only for the Gram
we are
Sabha
fighting
meeting.
for our people.
Family matters is between
Yeah.
us, not with the panchayat.
We can sort
That's
it out.
it. And the
Yes,
field,
let
with the
me
field,
tell you one
yes.
thing. Let me tell you one thing. Goa is a green place. And farming is the main profession in Goa. If each and everybody gets up and starts building one building over here, one small house over there, then some rented rooms, where is farming going to go?
No, but I think it's a duty of the panchayat, right? To take a check of what is happening in the fields.
In that Gram Sabha.
Today, no, they were not there.
They
They
were
were
cops
called,
over
I
there.
think, no?
They were cops
called.
They
were
were
not
out.
there, but they were supposed
See,
to
the
be
cops
inside.
did their duty. No.
We are not blaming them.
I respect the cops. They did their duty. We are only talking about one cop called Swanan Naik, who has been terrorizing women. Today he did it with us. Before, twice he did it with us. And he has done it with other people as well. With many people. And he comes to tell us that I'm a cop, I can do just about what I want.
And he sends his wife.
And today he's on duty. How did he attend the Gram Sabha? It was not his duty to come to the
And
Gram
why does he
Sabha.
wear half of the police pants and the shirt of a civil?
This is getting out of hand. They are misusing their
Power.
powers. I don't have anything against the cop. They did their duty and they are always doing their duty.
And to end
but
to
this man, Swanan Naik,
Has to be out
he
of
is
his
the
job.
one who's terrorizing all the women, walking into places, walking into houses and destroying the peace and the unity of the people, the villagers of Sangolda.
व्हिडिओ बी तेंचे तांकां मार लागलेलो.
व्हिडिओ काय ना स्प्रे मला तो व्हिडिओ आमच्याकडे ना आसा
मागीर झगडी बी जाला तिथं.
मागीर झगडी जाल्या खंय स्प्रे लायट तेच्यानी मुद्दाम उडयल्या कितें खबर ना आमकां तेन्नाच लायट गेल्या आनी तेन्नाच स्टार्ट जाल्या झगडी स्प्रे मारल्या उपरांत झगडी स्टार्ट जाल्या बेश्टी झगडी जावं ना जाल्यार आमची ग्रामसभा चालूच आसलेली
तेंचे म्हणटा की तुम्ही झगडी स्टार्ट केल्या
आमी
म्हणून
स्टार्ट
लायट
झगडी
तुम्ही
करूं
उडयले
ना
आसतले
आमी झगडी स्टार्ट करूं ना
तेंच्याकडून.
आनी तेंकां आतां आमच्या सरपंचाक ते करप बी म्हणटा पळय तेंकां सांग की आमच्या सरपंचाक आमी सगळीं सरपंचा वांगडा आहा आनी तेका करप जाल्यार तेंकां सांग प्रूफ कर म्हणून सांग ते करप जाल्यार तो आमी सरपंचा वांगडा हेजे पयलीं आसा आतांय आसा हेजे फुडें आसतले सरपंचा वांगडा आमच्या सगळो लोक सगळो गांव एकट्यार फक्त सरपंच आमचो सरपंच बरो म्हणून आमी सगळ्या सरपंचाक निवडून काडला
आनी ते अशेंय म्हणटा की ग्रामसभेक मायक बी काय नासले की तेजे.
ग्रामसभेक लायट नासली आनी मायकाचे कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाला त्या खातीर मायक नासलो
सो ते म्हणटा की फूल पंचायत तेंचे पयलीं प्लॅन करून तेंकां
आमी
मारपाक
प्लॅन बी काय करूं ना आमी प्लॅन करून कित्याक घेतली पंचायती
कितें जालें हांव सगळे भुरगे फुडें आसले म्हाका म्हणप हांव फुडें गेलें फुडें मारून जेन्ना टर्न घेताले पळय तेन्ना तेणी म्हाजेर स्प्रे मारल्या उपरांत हांवें दोळ्यांक बसलो आनी मागीर हांगा हें जालें मागीर हांवें म्हटलें कोणें स्प्रे मारला पळय जाल्यार एब्राहिम सारको हात घातला आनी गावल्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी म्हाजेर मारपाक आयले आनी तेंच्यांनी हात घातला म्हाका हांव बेश्टें मारूंक वचूंक ना आनी हांव तांकां कितें करपाकूय वचूंक नासलें स्प्रे तेचे कडेन आसलो आनी पुलीस तेंच्या कांयच एक्शन घेयना सगळो फुडलो रिपोर्ट बरयतात कितल्या फावटी आमी हांगा आयली पुलीस स्टेशनार कांय एक्शन घेयना आनी फक्त हें आमकां मारूंक येता आनी ही आनी एकदां तेच्या भयणीन केल्लें हांव जेन्ना शेतान उबें रावलेलें तेन्ना ती बोटाक पळय हें सुलताना सुलतानान परत स्प्रे मारलेलो गाडयेंची नसा तरी ओगी रावले आयज तेणी लोकां उजीर मारला म्हाजे स्प्रे अशें म्हाका लागूंक ना दोगां तिगांक लागला व्हडलेले पंचायतीन हेंची कसलीच कंप्लेन घेवची न्हू फाल्यां गन घेवन भोंवतली ती आमी तांकां भियान म्हाजे वाटे घेत हांव तांकां कितें करीत ना नेम ना हां